Hello and welcome back to another tutorial here on my channel. Today we are going to make this beautiful flower granny square. This is how it looks on the back. As you can see, it is made with a 3-color combination, but you can use more or less, of course, depends on your preference. Let's get started. For this project we are going to use a 3.5mm hook, and we will start our work with a slip knot like this. And then we will chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, we will slip stitch into the first stitch or chain here. So grab the yarn and pull it through both loops. And this way we have completed a magic ring. Next we will start round 1 and we will first chain 2, 1, 2, and then we will start working our puff stitch, and we will yarn over once, go into the ring, grab the yarn, pull it through, make a loop, and we will repeat this 4 times in total, so 3 more times. Yarn over and make the second loop, yarn over and work the third loop, yarn over and work the last loop, the fourth one. And we now have 9 loops on the hook, and then we will grab the yarn and pull it through all these loops. And our puff stitch is completed. Next we will close it by chaining 1, and we will chain 1 more. And this will be our repeat for the first round. At the same time, we will also carry this yarn in the back of the work in order to hide it across this magic ring or magic circle. So we will work the second puff stitch. We will yarn over, make a loop, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then grab the yarn and pull it through all these loops, and then chain 2. 1, and this completes our second puff stitch and also our second repeat. We will work with this repeat for 4 more times, so that we have in total for our first round 6 puff stitches. I am now at the end of round 1, and we can tighten the center a bit by pulling this end. This closes up the center, makes it smaller. And next we will go and join the work, and we will do this by going with our hook. So slip the hook here and go into the second stitch. This is the one, this is the first one, this is the second, from the back of the work, and slip stitch this last stitch. Chain 1 to secure the work, and we can cut this yarn. And we have our first round completed. With our second color, we will start round 2 and we will work a slip knot first. And then we can go in any of these chain 1 spaces. So the spaces between 2 puff stitches, and we will work. I will start here, and at the same time I will carry this yarn in the back of the work in order to hide it. And we will work here again 1 puff stitch. For this we will yarn over once, go here into this space and make a loop. Again yarn over, make the second loop, yarn over, third loop, yarn over, and the fourth loop. And next we will grab the yarn and pull it through all these loops. And next we will chain 1. And then we will go into the same space here and work a second puff stitch in the same way. Yarn over and make the first loop, second, third, and fourth one. And grab the yarn and pull it through all these loops. Chain 1. And this will be our repeat for the second round. So we will work in each chain 1 space 2 puff stitches. So we will double the number of the puff stitches by the end of the second round. Let's do this together one more time. So we will go into the next chain 1 space and work the first puff stitch. Chain 1 and into the same space work the second puff stitch. And we have completed our repeat for the second time here. We are left with 1, 2, 3, 4 more repeats of these, and by the end of the round we should have 12 puff stitches. I am now at the end of round 2. I have completed all the puff stitches for this second round, and we will join it in the same way. We will slip the hook and we will go into the second stitch, which is this one, and slip stitch this last stitch, chain 1 to secure the work, and we can cut this yarn. And this way we have completed round 2. Next we will start round 3, and with our next color we will work first a slip knot, and we can start from any of these spaces between the puff stitches. I will start here from where I have left, and we will work a triple crochet. For this we will yarn over 2 times, and we will place the finger like this in order to keep all 3 loops on the hook. And we will go into one of the spaces, grab the yarn, pull it through, make a loop. We now have 4 loops, and then we will grab the yarn and pull it through pairs of 2. 1 time, 2 times, and 3 times here. And we have here our triple crochet. Next, we will work another one in the same way. So we will yarn over 2 times, go into the same space, grab the yarn, pull it through, make a loop, and then grab the yarn and pull it through pairs of 2 for 3 times. And we now have 2 triple crochets. Next, we will chain 2, 1, 2, and in the same space here, we will work 2 more triple crochets. One, and 2. Next, we will go into the next space between the next 2 puff stitches from the previous round, and here we will work 1 double crochet. For this, we will yarn over once, go into this space here, grab the yarn, pull it through, make a loop, then grab the yarn and pull it through pairs of 2 for 2 times. And we now have a double crochet here. And next we will work 2 more double crochets in this same space, so that we have a set of 3 double crochets. And we will repeat this one more time into the next space here. So we will work a set of 3 double crochets. And this will be our repeat for the 3rd round. As you can see, our square shape is beginning to show. This is the group stitches for the corners, and these 2 sets of 3 double crochets are the stitches for one of our sides. We will continue to work with this repeat for 3 more times so that we complete round 3. Let's do this together one more time. So we will go into the next space here and work 2 triple crochets, chain 2, and 2 more triple crochets into the same space. And we have completed the corner repeat. And for our second side, we will work a set of 3 double crochets into this first space, and into the next one another set of 3 double crochets. And this completes our second repeat. We will work with this repeat for 2 more times now, and we will meet at the end of the round. I am now at the end of round 3, and we will join the work by slip stitching into the second stitch. This is the second one, this is the first one. And next we will start round 4. We will chain 1, we will loose this loop a bit, twist the yarn like this in order to have two loops on the hook, and we will go into the same space here, grab the yarn, pull it through, make a loop, then grab the yarn and pull it through two loops, and then again grab the yarn and pull it through the remaining two loops. And this combination of stitches will count as our first double crochet for this last round. Next, we will go into the next chain 2 space, and here we will work a set of 2 double crochets. First, chain 2, and work 2 more double crochets into the same space. 1 and 2. Next, we will go and work across our second side of the square. So we have started by working 1 double crochet here on our first side of the square for this round. So we will continue to work on the second side, and we will work with double crochets until we get here at the last stitch from this second side. Make sure you don't miss this first stitch, as it can hide under the stitches that we have just made. So 1 double crochet here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And this will be our repeat for this last round. So from here we will start with the same repeat. So we will make here 1 double crochet and continue to work the next corner in the same way. So we are left with 3 more repeats of these, and we will meet at the end of the round here. I am now at the end of this last round. I have completed for this last side 9 double crochets, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Together with this first one, we have 10 double crochets for our sides for this round, and for the corners this combination of stitches, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. And before joining in the round, we will first cut the yarn and we will join it in this way. We will go from the back of the work with our hook into the second stitch here and slip stitch this last stitch, and then from the back of the work through the back loop only of this last stitch, grab the yarn and pull it through. This way we have this nice and even edge for our square. And this is our final granny square with this flower motif. This is how it looks on the back. Happy crocheting!